That dream you have of making money on YouTube isn't a silly fantasy. You can make money with Amazon affiliate even if you have a small YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get started, the types of videos that you can create to maximize Amazon sales, and example channels that promote Amazon products on YouTube. The first step is to sign up to become an Amazon affiliate. The Amazon affiliate program is completely free to join. Start the process by visiting the Amazon Associates account page. They will pay you a percentage of every sale when someone buys a product through your Amazon affiliate link. The next step is to create a YouTube video to earn money by promoting Amazon products. So what type of videos can you make to generate affiliate revenue? There are almost infinite different types, styles and formats of YouTube videos. However, there are a number of standard formats that have proven to be successful. The first type is the review video. One of the most effective ways to promote an Amazon affiliate product is to create a review video. Why? Because people who watch review videos are already close to being in the buying mode. This type of video should provide the buyer with everything they need to know about the product in order to make an informed buying decision. Make sure to cover the points in the video, connect to their journey and speak to what pain points this product will solve. Highlight the benefits of each product feature. Mention any drawbacks of the products, give your final verdict and tell them where to buy the product. This of course is through your affiliate link. Comparison video. Another type of video that gets amazing results for affiliate marketing is comparison videos. This of course is very similar to review but just with more product. Many times there are few competitors at the top of any niche. So instead of watching a separate review video for each one of those products, people might rather see one video that compares them all against each other with detailed criteria. Highlight differences between products and break down which product performs best under certain conditions. How-to video. YouTubers who focus on creative topics like crafting, DIY, home decorating, cooking, have an endless supply of how-to instructional content. One of the most effective ways to make money with these types of video is to include affiliate links in the list of suppliers or tools that they need for the recipe, the craft, garden project and so on. Basically, affiliate links to whatever product you mention in the video. For example, if you're promoting a beauty product, you can use it on yourself and convince them why they should buy it. Now that you have tested it for them and showed them how it works, they will be even more convinced to purchase it. Best of video. These are compilation videos which include several products into one and gives a description about the product. The Amazon affiliate links are included in the video description. Once you know what type of video you want to create, you can decide the products you want to promote. Then get the affiliate link for the related Amazon product you want to promote and add to that video description. Make sure to also include an affiliate disclosure. Viewers are more likely to buy if they find your video through search results. This means that the viewer has already an interest and it's easy to convert a view into an actual buyer. When you upload the video to YouTube, optimize the video so that it will appear on the first page for search results. I've created in-depth video about ranking on YouTube. The link is in the description. Watch that video in case you missed it. Monitor your Amazon analytics to see what's selling and adjust future Amazon affiliate videos based on that. Now you know how to make money with Amazon affiliate using YouTube.